Hi everyone and welcome back to Artlist. Easter vacation we went to Kirkenes and I visited my old flight club. During filming we saw that the airfield had a lot of puddles or a lot of water, and we really wanted to make some cool slow motion shots, so we used this blazer from Top RC Hobby. It's a beautiful little plane and it handles everything that you throw at it. And this one is the one with two sets of wing, one for sport and one for trainer. So we are using the trainer wings. When I scrolled through the video clips that I got of the blazer, I saw something totally different from what I actually wanted to film. And that was seeing this one landing in these puddles and going through the puddles. It reminded me of a little child just wanted to play in the water. And as beautiful as this model is, and everything with this one is oversized, and you have seen the wheels, how oversized they are. And the spring on the nose wheel on this plane is insane, because when you give full throttle on a 4-cell battery, you're not supposed to use 4-cell battery, but we are testing it out. So when you use 4-cell battery and you just punch those takeoffs, the nose wheel will go all the way back. And when you see this in slow motion with water, it's just like a child plowing through water. And actually it made me happy seeing those clips, so I thought I would make a small video. So let's lower the black bars and show you the clips.
Not where I'm supposed to be. I'm going in circles, going in circles. I should get away from here. There's a better place for me, better place for me. Trying to play my symphony, but there's so much noise around, so much noise around. Constantly fighting for space. I need to clear my mind, need to clear my mind.